Alright guys, so suddenly when you're trying to plug in your iPhone to a charger, if you're getting this warning with the beep over and over, the charging not available, or liquid detected, disconnect cable from charger and allow all connectors to dry, keeps popping up even if your iPhone is not wet, don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to show you all the possible and proven ways to fix this issue and get your iPhone 16 Pro, Max or Plus back to charging normally. So first, before anything else as prompted, immediately unplug your iPhone. And then just leave your iPhone for at least half an hour to 1 hour. Now, sometimes it might happen not just because your iPhone's charging port is wet. It could happen if the charger comes in contact with water. So just go ahead, wipe clean the charging pins, or if another charger is available, you're going to use that with your iPhone and see if the problem still persists. If the problem is still there, we're going to get ourselves into our iPhones. So first, just go ahead, try to wipe clean this charging port and just try to dry it out. If you have a hand blower, dust blower, you can just use it to dry it. Now a quicker way can be if you got some silica gel and a Ziploc, you can just grab them, put them all inside the Ziploc and then just zip it well. Leave them there for a few hours so the water can fully dry out. After a few hours, if you take it out, you're not supposed to get that warning anymore. If it's still there, sometimes this might happen for a minor software glitch. In that case, we're gonna just force restart our iPhone. For that, press and release the volume up and down button and keep holding down this side button till the Apple logo comes on your screen. Apart from that, for the time being, since you can charge your iPhone with a cable, if any wireless charger or MagSafe is available to you, you can charge your iPhone with that as well. All the process we've shown you so far is enough to solve this liquid detected error on your iPhone 16. Let us know in the comment section if your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.